JSON is unique as it supports various types of data types with its inherent identification technique. The primitive data types as part of key values that JSON can support are string, which as a sequence of characters usually in UTF-8 encoding. Just to be simplistic here, understand UTF-8 here as the 8-bit Unicode version of ASCII code. Number, which can be integers, fractions or scientific notations. Boolean values, which can be true or false. And the null value, which is treated as a special data type. Other than primitive data types, following composite data types, which means the data types that contain more than one data value, can also be supported. These are objects. The basic configuration of name-value pairs can also be supported as a value of another key. And array is another composite data type supported as a value of any key name.